What is up, you guys? It's Brista, and for today's video I'm going to be reacting to CHARLI and DIXIE unboxing their new Morphe 2 makeup line, and I'm very excited for this because you know you love seeing people you support, like, you know, do big things, and I really do feel like this is a huge accomplishment for them. And you know, they did the Hollister line as well with like their jeans, so they are doing amazing. I love CHARLI and DIXIE. They are women that I 100% support, full of positivity, and I just love them. So we're just gonna get right into this video, and let's just see how the makeup looks.
Hey guys, it's DIXIE and CHARLI, and today we're going to be unboxing our Morphe 2 box. CHARLI and I got to work with Morphe in this. We're so excited to be finally opening our Morphe because this is actually the first time we've seen it. This is the box. Alright. Oh my god, it's us! This is the top. It's a little like hat for it. There's stickers with their faces on them.
Oh, that's so nice.
So first, we've got the Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss, and this is like a very good substitute for a more natural highlight. Okay, next we have a bunch of lip oils actually, and they come in a bunch of different colors. We've tried all this stuff, but this is the first time we're seeing it in the packaging.
The first three are like my style. Might have to buy.
Is the Jelly Eye Shimmer. There's these that you can just swipe on your eye and it gives it a really sparkly look. This one's it's like blue and purple, and this one's my favorite.
It like feels like jelly, and it's really easy to put on, and you can just layer it with other stuff. It's super cute.
This is one of my favorites. It's the Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse, and this is what I use every day because it's a nice cream blush.
I like cream. I love cream blushes. As y'all know, I love some cream
Next
blush.
two layers are
I'm not wearing any today, but
pink
yeah.
and skin tint in a bunch of different colors. And what I really like about this product is that it doesn't cover my freckles, and it's very light, but also gives you the glow.
What I love about the Hint Skin Tint is that it's very lightweight, but still enough coverage to cover your skin and any blemishes you have. But it's super lightweight, and it also comes in 20 colors, so it's a perfect color for every shade.
I do love that this has 20 shades because it's not a foundation, it's more of a tint. So I feel like a tint is, you know, easier to match to your skin tone because it's not a full coverage foundation to where, you know, you can tell the difference between a skin tone, you know, and a tint is just like it says, it's a tint, so it kind of blends seamlessly into your face. So I do love that they have a lot of shades so everyone can have a nice tint to their face, because, you know, like, it's not a full coverage foundation, it's a tint. So I do like that they have a wide like range for tints.
It's so weird.
Do I look like that right now?
No. I look like I just got hit by a bus.
No.
It's so weird seeing our names on this.
And these are the products that we like the best. These are our favorites in these shades exactly, if you were wondering.
This is my favorite product from the collection, I think, or one of my favorite products. It's the Jelly Eye Shimmer in the blue shade, and it's actually what I'm wearing in these photos. And I really like the color, and it's so fun to put on because you can make it really light and just add a little bit of color or put a lot on and mix
them. Those are good for people who don't like eyeshadow. Personally for me, I'm not the biggest fan of eyeshadow, only because I'm not the best at it, but I'm learning how to do eyeshadow more. I'm very like into the natural eyeshadow, like I'll do a crease with a shimmer eye. I love doing those. I know how to do those all day, but when it comes to colors, I'm not the best. I suck at colors, and I once tried like a red look and it just didn't work out that great. So I really love that they have colors for eye shimmers that you can just glide on your eye and you'll be good to go. So I really love how this collection is looking so far, so I'm very excited to like check it out. I might have to cop a few stuff.
Probably my favorite, but I also like the Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse. I really like that, and the face gloss, just because it's all so light and natural and not sticky. But yeah. And I think we both have the same favorites.
So
This chair is
with
so
Morphe
squeaky. So.
And Morphe 2, we have also been able to collaborate with a 4-piece brush collection and bag. And this is the Swoop Life. So I'll show you guys what's inside.
The sweet
And I'm
life.
gonna
That's
go
so
through
cute.
each brush individually and tell you what belongs to what, because I'm a genius. First we have this thick brush.
Complexion
A
brush.
complexion brush, thank you. And that is what you use with this hint skin tint. So we're going to show you as follows. You're so talented. There you go. Look, a little bit of both.
Actually, good color.
Wow, brushes. It's actually really soft, I feel. Okay, next one we're moving on to is this brush.
No, it's better.
No, what brush?
The rounded blush brush.
And what you're going to use this for is the
Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse.
Oh my
I
god.
will show you.
There you go.
And then you can also use your finger and blend it out like so.
Cute, Charlie. Thank you. Next, we have the Universal Highlighting Brush.
Me. I really drop everything.
Next, we have the Universal Highlighting Brush, and what you're going to use for this is the Gloss Pop. The Gloss.
And
And you're going to use the gloss. And you're going to
that
use.
is to be paired with the Gloss Pop.
Look at the camera.
And that is to be paired with the Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss.
You can use your fingers, but you can also use this brush. Yeah. With this, I use a brush. Look, let me do it. No, let me do it. No. Actually, let me do it. Okay. No, you can do it. I don't want to.
Like, I don't even want to touch it anymore.
Next, finally, we have the Ultimate Packing Brush, and what you're going to use for these is the Jelly Eye Shimmer. So I'm going to do this on, oh, it's so pretty. One. Okay, ready? Oh, it's so pretty. I just took out all your eyelashes. Wait, it actually looks really good.
Well, say it like that.
No, like, because it's on you. Oh.
So it sounds.
No, but like I literally dipped it in once and it looks like you did a whole
No, let me
piece of makeup. Okay, we're gonna do the blue on the other side.
Okay, don't put my eyes.
Oh, it's so pretty. Use your finger for it, try with your finger. It's so pretty.
See, like the blue, it's not so overwhelming to where you're like, oh my god.
Wow.
You look good.
So all of this stuff is available at Morphe.com and in Morphe stores and soon to come in all Morphe retailers. Use code CHARLI
And Dixie.
for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of us playing around with our new Morphe 2 collaboration, you can check out Dixie's channel as well as James Charles' channel because we will be doing a video on both of their channels. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I'm so excited for you guys to try the products and everything. So make sure you go check that out.
Oh my god, don't start eating. Hello, it is Dixie. And it's
so
her first look.
pretty. They're so pretty.
Thank you so much, Morphe, for this incredible collaboration. I'm so excited that it is finally out as of today. So make sure you
Oh, it's already out. I thought it wasn't coming out for a while. I didn't know it was coming out today. I don't know if it's out already, but if it is, I will definitely be checking that out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, comment down below, and definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!